Welcome back, everyone. Fabulous Freak Friday. A little bit overcast. Windy. Same wind as yesterday. Blowing from the north. And there she goes. Yeah, don't please subscribe to the channel unless you really want to be. I don't want no partial subscribers, so get on out of there. You ain't gonna be staying around. You don't want nobody. Just, what do you call it? I'm sorry, subscribe. Feel sorry for me. I don't need no subscribers. I got plenty. Only subscribe if you're interested in Rosarito Beach. What's going on here? That's all we cover. A little bit of downtown. New restaurants, different restaurants, the best taco places. You ain't gonna find a better channel, but go ahead and try. Get on out of there. We're going to a new taco place today. Tacos de cabeza, tacos de sesos, tacos de ojos. You ain't subscribed, so you ain't finding out where it is. So don't even try it. You won't be getting back in there and subscribing just because we popped in at the best taco stand in Rosarito. Don't be getting back in there. We don't want to see you coming back. You unsubscribe, you stay out of there. We don't want to have any subscribers that don't want to be subscribed, finding out about Rosarito and the beach and all the taco stands here. Only people that are really interested and want to be part of Rosarito Beach and like the beach. They want to see new places, new restaurants. Sometimes it takes time. Got a lot of clothes. Got a lot of clothes. So they be working over here doing some stuff. Down over up in here. Maybe doing some work and stuff over in here. Excuse me. So yeah, they'll be working. They were just fixing up this little pathway right here. So the trucks, working trucks, can come on right on down here. Looks like it's going to be a gorgeous, beautiful day. The sun's trying to peek out. I got to get them garbage bags. And there's a lot of trash all the way down by the Pemmix. Right even in here, a couple pieces. And wire and stuff. I got to get them bags. Hopefully I can get them today. You guys come down to Rosarito Beach this weekend, try to get a head start. Remember what happened last time? Ow! We got stuck in the linea for about 2 horas. So that looks like my compadres are out there. Roughing the seas. Got reported norte. Yeah, they fixed up all this embankment right here so the water can't come up and get up against the building anymore. Kind of a bright idea. Just made the bank right there. Now they're taking down the poles and you can't go up there. They always have security guard out. You can't go up there anyway. And even if you wanted to. Can you imagine having your backhoe down here in the sand and just building around, playing around, scooping sand? What a perfect way to practice, learn how to caterpillar, how to run a loader. Got some nice rippers right in there. Once that last wave comes in, bam! It's all the way beach right there. See, you got some soupy doopy poopy going in there. Digging up a hole of some kind in there. They got some poopy. Yeah, they're trying to fix it up and get all that sewer thing all run down there in them tanks. Them tanks can fill up and soupy doopy poopy water don't come down into the Wado. Some big old monsters out there. Oh my goodness. Castro, are you down at Raul's? Gosh darn it. He's always somewhere. He's not surfing at Raul's, he's in Soriano. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. None. We don't need any more. We got too many. Don't be subscribing unless you want to know where them tacos are. Hard working man cleaning up the beach. Want to get the bags and get down there. Out of the Pemex area, and all that trash was right around in here, right up in here, washed all the way down there. Heading to the taco stand. I gotta try some of the tacos again. Oh my goodness, I've never seen anything like it. I've never tasted anything like it. Maybe see if we can get Junior to go. It's always nice to take somebody, you know, that way they see you're spreading the word. Spread the word. Spread the tacos. Best tacos in Rosarito. You gotta find out where, but you ain't gonna find out where because you ain't subscribed. You don't know where the tacos are. Ooh, I got the best tacos in Rosarito. Laid them up something the other day. Alright guys, thanks for running the subscribers. See you at the beach.